how to buy K meme token. So this token came under the symbol of KAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, crypto, and rewards. Submit or visit the referral codes and benefits from them. You can check them in the description. So as you can see, this is the X account. Go and check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token, it's available on CoinMarketCap. Now you can find it there. So to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now for that, I will use the Phantom wallet. So log into your wallet. I will just log into my wallet like that. Now what you need to do, just click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet first, and click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it, and here just type how much you want to buy. And here you will see how much you will receive of that token. Select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap. And you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slip page from here or customer, because the most of issue came from the slip page. So after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a K meme token. If you find this very helpful, please like, subscribe. See you in the next video.